Right now it's the owner's birthday. This is part of his surprise. Okay, let's go. I am exhausted. Last night was the boss's birthday party. We are still in Split, and we will be leaving Split today for a place called Skradin, which is supposed to be where all the waterfalls are. I'm hoping to get the opportunity to go check those out today. But yesterday was just an absolute no record day because it was the boss's birthday and we were going absolutely crazy with plans and getting everything ready for him. We are spending the last sort of hour or two here in Split, guessing gonna have some breakfast, and then we'll be heading out. But I got those tired eyes this morning. We only got to bed at about 12:30 last night, which is not really a long night in yachting, but it was a really busy day. So I think that's why everybody feels so tired this morning. Busy setting up now, and then I'm pretty sure we're gonna get out of here. I can't say I was expecting this. Look at this. This is like being back in Norway. These are the moments that these are the moments that really make this worthwhile. Seeing places like this. Right, I'm going to stop recording for a bit now because I might be going with to these waterfalls, and I think I'm going to want to take this Canon M5 with. So I'm going to put that on charge and then hope that I go to these waterfalls because it looks like it's going to be pretty incredible. Okay, I'll see you in a few minutes, hopefully. So wait, for there to be swans here means that this is fresh water. Is that how it works?
It's all the fresh water coming down from the waterfalls.
From the waterfalls.
Sucking out more than
That's amazing.
Oh no! No, 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 no!
This is crazy. There's no way so I can come here and not have a swim right up to where that waterfall is. Woo!
What's up, everyone? I hope you enjoyed that episode of that insane little trip up into Skradin. Something I did just want to touch on, because a lot of people have been asking me this question, like how often do you get to actually adventure, sort of go into different places with the guests? So it's a good question. Devin, 5 years in yachting, how many times did you get to go with the guests, like onto trips, like wherever you were, like whenever they went on excursions?
Very seldom.
Did you really? Not often, eh?
It's very seldom, sometimes with the owners, but never with anyone else.
But never with anyone else. So I just got lucky.
Croatia a few times at the boulders.
Croatia.
When it's necessary for their safety.
So it's basically, whenever I've gone on guest trips, I've always had to carry like a backpack of snacks or waters or something to sort of take them along a guide if we had previously been there. So it doesn't often happen where you kind of just go off and get to have a swim like what I just did. But the guests that came with on that trip were sort of all on their own mission. They all just kind of went off and cruised. So it gave me the opportunity to kind of just go and have a swim at the waterfalls in Skradin, which was just by far one of the most insane experiences. So it's guest for guest. Every single trip and owner and charter guest is going to be different. Never, in my opinion, with a charter guest will you have the chance to do that, but when you've got the same owners or guests that you're familiar with, you might have the opportunity to kind of tag along, carry a couple of waters and bags, and just kind of enjoy the trip with them, which was what I got to do there. So for those of you that were wondering, I hope that answered your question. Otherwise, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We have a giveaway coming up on Instagram. STCW course is actually being given away by Blue Water Yachting, so that's a massive course. It's the first and main course that you have to do in order to be able to become a Yacht Crew member. So do yourself a favor and just follow Blue Water Yachting down below, as well as myself, and you'll see how to enter immediately for the STCW giveaway. But thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.